Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to take a spelling pretest for Coyote School News. So if you will turn to your notebook, go into your table of contents, date it for 11/16/20, and you can write the title as a spelling pretest. Go to the first available page. And your page should look something like this with the title, Spelling Pretest, Coyote School News, date it for 11/16/20. Number your page from 1 to 25. And this week's words is irregular plurals. Okay, these are an irregular plural is a plural noun that is not formed by adding an S or an ES. Okay, so I'm going to say the word, I'm going to read a sentence, and then I will repeat the word. Number one is videos. We rent videos every weekend. Videos. Number two, feet. Boots keep your feet dry. Feet. Number three, potatoes. The team ate all the baked potatoes. Potatoes. Number four, themselves. They hurt themselves when they fell. Themselves. Number five, lives. They say a cat has 9 lives. Lives. Number six, leaves. In the fall, leaves change color. Leaves. Number seven, cliffs. Steep cliffs are hard to climb. Cliffs. Number eight, men. The men loved their Sunday morning pickup game. Men. Number nine, halves. Let's break the cookie into halves and share it. Halves. Number 10, moose. 2 moose walked out of the woods. Moose. Number 11, radios. Please turn your radios down. Radios. Number 12, sheep. The farmer fed all the sheep. Sheep. Number 13, cuffs. The cuffs of my shirt are in tatters. Cuffs. Number 14, beliefs. Many old beliefs were wrong. Beliefs. Number 15, patios. Many people like to eat on their patios. Patios. Number 16, children. 5 children were absent today. Children. Number 17, tornadoes. Many tornadoes cause damage. Tornadoes. Number 18, tomatoes. The tomatoes were ripe. Tomatoes. Number 19, hoofs. The horse's hoofs were muddy. Hoofs. Number 20, loaves. We bought 2 loaves of bread. Loaves. Number 21 is a challenge word. Portfolios. They collected their work in their art portfolios. Portfolios. Number 22, embargoes. The embargoes did not keep the ships away. Embargoes. Number 23, handkerchiefs. The handkerchiefs come in blue packages. Handkerchiefs. Number 24, calves. The calves were born in the spring. Calves. And the last word is lassos. The cowboys' lassos are made of rope. Lassos. So once you finish this, take a picture and send it to me. And tomorrow when we meet, we will go over, we will check the work from today. Okay?